This is Midlife Moxie with Nicole Hate, and this season is not about fixing your life. It's about naming what's already happening. If you're exhausted, restless, or quietly dissatisfied, these are not motivation problems, and they're not mindset issues. And it's not something that more discipline will solve. These episodes are short, direct conversations about identity, performance, and the cost of being who you learn to be. There are no tools here, no 5-step processes, no instructions to optimize yourself, just naming what's already there. If you're looking for answers, this season may frustrate you. If you're ready to stop performing, it may feel uncomfortably familiar. Let's begin. Welcome to Midlife Moxie with Nicole Hate. This is episode 4. High functioning is not a personality trait. Most women that I work with would describe themselves the same way. I'm capable. I'm high functioning. I'm smart. I can handle it. And these aren't complaints. They're points of pride, proof of survival, evidence you made it work. But here's what's hiding underneath that identity. High functioning was never a personality trait. It was a performance. And that performance requires your maintenance. High functioning doesn't really mean that you're naturally resilient. It means that you have mastered performing resilience. You learned at an early age, capability gets rewarded. Dependability gets chosen. Composure gets trusted. So you became the one who figures it out, the one who holds it together, the one who doesn't need any help, the one who delivers every time. And this wasn't accidental. It was trained. And it worked until the cost started showing up. High functioning performance has a specific signature. It looks like waking up capable, going to bed depleted, saying yes when your body wants to say no, handling crises while ignoring your own body signals, feeling proud of your capacity, ashamed of your exhaustion, never asking for help because you should have handled it. The confusing part? All of this feels normal. Proof you're doing life right. Until your system starts whispering otherwise. This performance gets reinforced everywhere. At work, promotions for reliability. In relationships, appreciation for holding space. With family, gratitude for being the strong one. And even with yourself, pride in never breaking. So every time someone says, "You're so capable," you always come through. "I don't know how you do it." It feels like validation. But it's also a trap. Because high functioning becomes the identity that you can't step out of. Not without risking everything that made you valuable. Here's what doesn't work for high functioning women. More discipline, better boundaries, time management systems, self-care routines. Because none of those address the core problem. You're not tired from doing too much. You're tired from being someone who can handle too much. You can't optimize your way out of an identity. You can't boundary your way out of a performance. The solution isn't better management. It's honest recognition. High-functioning women are burdened. Burdened by an identity that demands constant proof. Proof through performance, proof through capacity, proof through never needing. Your exhaustion isn't a sign of weakness. It's intelligence. It's your body saying, "This version of capable has outlived its purpose." The woman who can handle everything is no longer the woman you need to be. So before you buy another book, take a course, or sign up with a coach to find the holy grail of a productivity hack, or another boundary script, or another way to prove that you're fine, I invite you to sit with this question quietly. Where are you still performing high functioning when what you actually need is to be held? Don't analyze it. Don't solve it. Just notice where your body reacts. That's all for today. Sit with what came up. That's enough for now. Thank you for listening.